Hello YouTube friends. Today, we will take a scenic tour along the north shore of Maui in Hawaii, USA. First stop is Peahi. Locals call the surf in this area Jaws. This world-class surf spot often has waves reaching 20 to 25 feet. That's 6 to 8 meters. In old money. Further along the coast, let's visit Ho'okipa Beach Park. Visitors to Maui are often surprised how much farming and cattle raising takes place in the islands. Do you think a Texas Longhorn would be jealous of these grazing fields? Over time, waves have carved into the lava fields to create beautiful coastal vistas. These treacherous outcrops require due care when enjoying the amazing waves and winds. The trade winds along the north shore make Ho'okipa a popular place for kiteboarding. Surfers, kiteboarders, and beachgoers all enjoy the fun of Ho'okipa. Closer to shore, those same rocky outcrops allow for beautiful snorkeling opportunities. With all the beauty in Hawaii, the North Shore from Jaws to Ho'okipa is a rare treat for surfers, kiteboarders and families. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the North Shore of Maui. Please, come back soon for more great drone tours in the USA. Please like and subscribe with a click to the thumbs up below.